Hello, and welcome to Mazda's world premiere of our first ever CX-70. I'm Tom Donnelly, President and CEO of Mazda's North American Operations. As dealers with a great deal of passion for our lineup, I know these moments are exciting. Thank you for being part of CX-70's introduction. For reasons we'll dig into shortly, this is a pivotal moment in Mazda's history. Just as Mazda believes that PHEV is the right technology at the right time, now is the right time for CX-70. The vehicle's aggressive design is brought to life by Mazda's latest electrified powertrains. Both the eSkyActiv-G PHEV and eSkyActiv-G 3.3 inline-six turbo with M hybrid boost blend efficiency with dynamic driving experience. This impressive vehicle enhances Mazda's lineup with an exceptional balance of performance and style in a segment that is new to Mazda. The two-row midsize category is continuing to grow, and we see a greater sense of emotion behind the purchasing decisions of these customers. The very nature of two-row SUVs speaks to drivers who are looking for a rewarding vehicle, something driven by style and bold, powerful imagery. This segment and its discerning customers demand sporty design, which CX-70 delivers with a captivating exterior and exceptional interior. We also know that customers in this segment are seeking larger vehicles with more cargo space, so they can easily embrace personal recreation and leisure activities. Whether loading up travel gear, golf clubs, or camping essentials, CX-70 has ample cargo space. Additionally, we offer a variety of Mazda genuine accessories to further personalize CX-70 to best fit most drivers' activities and lifestyles. This segment puts a high emphasis on comfort and quality, with customers who recognize that technology and innovation can improve their driving experience and support their lifestyle. CX-70 will offer new convenience features like Alexa integration that will help further voice command capabilities and allow drivers to easily and safely ask for updates like weather or driving directions while staying focused on the road. Additionally, the new trailer hitch view can help make towing up to 5,000 pounds even easier and hopefully encourage owners to enjoy more activities. Furthermore, CX-70 receives enhancements to cruising and traffic support that adds an emergency-only system to automatically decelerate and stop the vehicle if the system detects the driver is unresponsive to escalating alerts. We'll have CX-70 tested with IIHS and look forward to sharing its safety rating soon, but I expect it won't break from the rest of our exceptional lineup. Dynamic design is a hallmark of Mazda's lineup, and CX-70 is no exception. With a sporty appearance and impressive cargo capacity, the CX-70 is ready to keep up with active lifestyles without compromising on style. Our team is excited to get these vehicles in your showrooms and to hear initial feedback from customers and dealer employees.
Hello everybody, I'm Yasutake Tsuchida, Senior Director of Mazda Design America. I'm very excited to introduce you our latest vehicle. CX-70 is our largest two-row crossover. It is designed to captivate. Being built on our large platform, it's blends together a beautiful and dynamic shape with generous cabin space. Let me share with you some of the thoughtful design elements that bring CX-70 to life. Developed out of desire for owners to enjoy more active life, we first wanted CX-70 to secure dimension that would have the cabin and cargo space to provide functionality that encourages these owners to pursue their interests and hobbies. Our large platform allows CX-70 to maintain bold proportions with impressive cargo space for weekend getaway, road trips, or active adventures. And for experiences when the owner is by themselves or with partner, the rear bench seats are designed to fold down and become flush with a trunk floor, allowing for storage of the variety of equipment or gear. With the rear seat folded, the CX-70 has one of the largest cargo area in the segment. Folding the rear seat is also very easy. In addition to how you normally adjust the seat, we added a button in the cargo area that will conveniently fold the seat down so that loading equipment can be accomplished seamlessly from the rear. We added a new sub-trunk behind the rear seat for additional items to be stored. Here we also have the cargo organizer that is a part of our Mazda genuine accessories offering. This provides even more storage possibilities while keeping essential items out of sight. As a result, the CX-70 offers both utility and exciting design, making it a perfect fit for our customers with active lifestyles. Speaking of its exciting design, we focused on the dignified performance concept for this two-row crossover. Its bold proportions and sculptured body create a dynamic movement in the reflection, whether in the motion or at the standstill. The CX-70 maintains a refined styling that you have expected from Mazda vehicle while embodying a sporty, commanding presence that customer will appreciate and build an emotional connection with. The front bumper features a gloss black honeycomb front grille and signature wing to give CX-70 an edge that complement its high performance. The front and rear bumpers were both designed to help give CX-70 a wide and low appearance, creating a confident stance. The rear roof spoiler is also painted gloss black to give CX-70 a more coupe-like silhouette and accentuate its performance. We will find more all-black exterior trim throughout the vehicle, such as the roof rail, door mirrors, side trim, and window trim that all help give CX-70 its athletic appeal. Lastly, CX-70 is finished with 21-inch wheels that will be available in two new designs, a fully black metallic design or black metallic finish with diamond cut details. Both provide a sporty and high-quality look. And finally, I want to take you inside. The interior continues to be inspired by CX-70's performance featuring dynamic, sporty elements, but also use high-quality materials to highlight the refinement and craftsmanship expected by customers in this segment. Fully committing to the sporty appeal of CX-70, we are offering a new red Napa interior leather. The steering wheel, dash, center console, and door trim features red double stitching to complement the vibrant interior color. We want this design to continue to feel comfortable and premium, but also make CX-70 one of the most confident vehicles in our crossover family. Whether on the fun drive around town or on your next great getaway, both interior options will significantly enhance the overall styling and experience of the CX-70. There are many more features we will share with you all soon. I invite you to explore a CX-70 and notice all the design detail for yourself. Thank you.